Hello everyone, welcome back. So coming to the previous task, initially we have registered Kubernetes as well as Kubernetes configuration resource providers using the Cloud Shell, using the bash, which we have done in the first task. And coming to the second task, we have created this particular resource group and we have created Azure Kubernetes service cluster. And once that is done, in the task 3, we have deployed the pods into Azure Kubernetes service cluster, and we have successfully able to access the Nginx server using the public IP. And now in the task 4, we'll be scaling the containerized workloads in Azure Kubernetes service cluster. So let's go ahead and start. So this is what we have done in the previous video. Using the public IP address, we were able to access this welcome to Nginx page. So for the task 4, let's open the Cloud Shell. And in this lab, everything we are doing in bash. So let's add the command to scale the deployment by increasing the number of pods to 2. So initially it was 1, but let's add to 2. So this is the command for that. So it has been scaled, and the next command is to verify the outcome of the scaling of the deployment. So let's add that too. So you can see we were able to having 2 different pods. So as you can see, it has been increased to 2. And now let's scale out the cluster by increasing the number of nodes to 2. So let's add that command. So this will take a time. So once this is done, next we'll be verifying the outcome of the scaling the cluster. So let's wait for that. Successfully we have completed this command, and the next one would be verifying the outcome of scaling the cluster. So let's add that command. So yes, it's done, the status is ready. And coming to the next command, let's scale the deployment. So this is command for that. So it's done, and the next command is to verify the outcome of scaling deployment. Have been increased to 10, and now coming to the next command, let's review the pods distribution across the cluster nodes. So for that, this is the command. So you can just verify that it has been distributed across both the nodes. So you can see this is the first node, and the rest everything is the second node. So it has been distributed. So yes, and coming to the next command. So we have successfully completed it. Let's go back. So you can see the node count is 2. The number of nodes are 2 here. So the next, the final thing is let's delete everything. So for that, let me add the command. So this is the command for that. And coming to cleaning up the resources, let's add the command for that too. So you can see right now we only created this particular resource group, so we'll be deleting that. However, meanwhile, let me show you that other resource group according to the, so we have not seen this, so you can check if you go back. This is the resource group, and you can find all the services which are running here according to this particular architecture. So saying that, let's go back and delete everything. So we got the resource group, and let's delete that. So it's in process. So meanwhile it will be deleted. So I hope you guys have understood the concept of implementing Azure Kubernetes service. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And thank you everyone, and please share the video.